Have you tried Bangkok's hop-in hop-up boat? I'm gonna show you how to go there. Paano pumunta doon? Madali lang. Magbi-BTS lang tayo.
Sa Pantaksin, where are you? Hey guys, naligaw.
Our starting point is Siam Station. Make sure you are taking the Siloam line
สถานีต่อไปสะพานตากสิน
and drop off at Sapan Taksin Station. Right upon the exit of the station, makikita nyo na yung hagdan pababa sa pier. Sobrang dali niyang hanapin. Don't worry, the last trip of this boat is at 7 p.m. Huwag kayo maliligaw mga bez ha. Diyan lang siya, ayan, makikita nyo kagad dyan yung parang red and bluish na ticketing offices, marami ring turista. Tapos make sure to just pay 40 baht. Make sure to follow and wait for the boat to arrive. Dahil medyo maraming turista. Nagulat din ako, sobrang dami ng turista. Pero still worth it ito kung gawin. And this is the view guys. Sobrang perfect nito between 5 to 6 p.m. Dahil talagang pa-sunset na siya.
Ay, fresh and flesh.
And ito yung view guys, sobrang ganda. Imagine this is just for 40 baht and ganito na experience. Grabe, worth it. And then makikita nyo rin dito yung King Rama Bridge which leads you to the last station of this boat. Where do you want to go next? Just follow me for more.